What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today guys, I'm doing another unboxing. This time, it's another Jordan 35 and this time, it's the DNA colorway. Let's go! Okay guys, so this is the regular box of the Jordan 35. As you can see, it's almost all white. You have the Jumpman logo in black over here. You have the details over here. You have a hole or a holder over here. On the other side, it's just plain white. And here, it's plain white. Now, on top of the sneakers, you have this XXXV, meaning 35. So now, let's pop this box open. So I'm now familiar with the Jordan 35 box, so you just pull it out and then bam, you will see the sneakers. These guys are called the Air Jordan 35 DNA colorway. So guys, just like I mentioned, these are the Jordan 35 DNA colorways. So why are these called the DNA? Well, the colorway is actually the color DNA of Jordan brand. You have white, you have black, you have red. And all of the sneakers of Michael Jordan, or the signature sneakers, at least for the numbered Jordan, has all these colors. They have white, black, and red. And since Jordan 35 was inspired by the Jordan 5, it's only nice that they make this type of colorway. So as you can see, it's almost similar to the fire red colorway, apart from this one not having a red sock liner. Although it has a red back tongue, it's kind of similar to the fire reds, although this one has more black into it. Now, what's nice about this sneaker or their colorway? Well, for me, this is just a clean design, a clean colorway. Nothing too flashy. It's just a straight up Jordan sneaker. So black, white, and red, and it really works for these sneakers. Now, the only thing that I don't like about this particular colorway is the leather material that they use on the upper, because I'm not really sure if it's really leather or suede, because it kind of feels like it's more of a felt material. I'm not really sure, correct me guys if I'm wrong, but it looks like suede. However, when you touch it, it feels like just a felt material. However, if it's really felt material, it is a really thick felt material. Now, just like the other Jordan 35s, it has the same details and specs. It's just a really basic colorway, which I like the most. For me, in my opinion, this is the colorway that so far that I like the most amongst all the colorways. In fact, for the Jordan 34, the one that I like the most is the first one, which is the similar colorway as this one. So now let's check out the details of these sneakers. Just like the other Jordan 35, you have a net fuse over here on the tip of the toe, and then on top of that you have the number 23. And then the laces for these sneakers is a white flat laces with black thread stitched into it. Now the lace holder is also inside, just like the other Jordan 35, and the tongue is almost similar to the shape of the Jordan 5. Now it also has this Jumpman logo embossed in red, and then you have the tongue tab over here. At the back of the tongue tab, you have XXXV, which is 35. And then the back of the tongue is in red, while the sock liner is in black. You also have the big pillows over here, which supports your ankle and Achilles. Now moving out, you will see the bulges over here on the back of the ankle, which is similar to the Jordan 5s. And then at the back of the sneakers, here you will see Nike Air, and then on the other side, you have the Jumpman logo. Now the main upper is actually made out of this leather. I will say it's leather, although I feel it's felt. But apart from that, you have this Flightwire technology that they use to give more support to the sneakers and give you lockdown feel. And then apart from that, of course, you have the Jumpman, small Jumpman logo over here on top of the iridescent lining. On the midsole, you have the injected Phylon material, which is really soft. And then on the middle, you have the flight plate, which exposes both the zoom on the forefoot and on the heel. Now, if you don't know, Jordan brand improved the technology for these sneakers. Apart from the eclipse plate being exaggerated, they also improved the air zoom unit on the heel of the sneakers. Before, the zoom unit is only a small hexagonal unit. However, for this one, it is a large unit. I'm not sure if you could see, but it is large. It's basically the whole heel is zoom unit. Now on the forefoot, it has the same large zoom unit just like the Jordan 34. However, you don't have the window over here to see the zoom unit. You also only have an access to see that on the eclipse plate. Now, just like the other Jordan 35, this one also has a very aggressive herringbone pattern, which is really good. Now, there's a lot of patterns on the outsole, but for me, the herringbone pattern is the best because it really works, especially for this one since it's multi-directional. Now, this is the third colorway of the Jordan 35 that I've shown you guys. The first one was the center of gravity colorway, which I'll post the link over here. And then the second one was the Bayou Boys colorway, which is a really unique colorway, and I'll be posting it also over here. And then this is the third one. So if you want to check out all those colorways and compare them, please check it out. Now currently, I no longer have my center of gravity colorway of these sneakers, but I will do another video comparing this DNA colorway, which is the basic colorway, and the Bayou Boys colorway. Now guys, do you agree with me? Is this the best colorway of the Jordan 35 so far? Let me know on the comment section down below. For those of you who haven't watched the other two videos, the fit of these sneakers is actually true to size. I'm a size 10.5 for basketball sneakers, and 10.5 for me is just right for this particular pair. Now, in terms of performance, I haven't played on these, but soon I'll be playing on these and give you my initial thoughts and opinions about the performance of these sneakers. Now, you can get a pair of these here in the Philippines at the Nike Park stores or at the Titan stores currently. But if you're not in Manila, you can also order this online through the Nike website or the Titan website. So guys, that's about it. This is again the Air Jordan 35 DNA colorway. I hope you enjoyed my presentation about this sneakers. This is a really nice, clean looking sneakers. I really like them, and I can't wait to see other colorways of the Jordan 35 that will be releasing anytime soon. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Till next time.